Hello, I'm going to teach you how to play your first 5 notes on the flute. So pretty much the first thing you want to do before you play anything of the instrument is just make sure it's assembled correctly. The head joint is aligned with the keys. Um, the foot is the rod of the foot is in line with the middle of the bottom key. The next thing to do is, well, if we go all the way back, is to just start with the head joint. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the head joint like you will hold the flute up to your lips and blow over the blowhole. I made an earlier video on this, so if you want the exact details, just go there. Just when you make that tone, just make sure it's tuned to an A. Cool. So I'm gonna put the flute back all together. So the next thing is hand placement. So just make sure that your first finger is gonna be on the second key. Your second finger you're gonna skip one key. The next finger is gonna go on the key after that, and then the next key after this, your last finger. Your pinky hangs over the G sharp key, and then your right hand will be the first finger. Right, you're gonna skip 2 keys. Your first finger is gonna go here, second finger there, third finger there, and then your pinky is gonna hover around here on the roller keys. So the first note we're gonna learn is G, which is gonna be all the fingers and the thumb. Your thumb's gonna go right back here. All the fingers of your left hand down, and the thumb. It's gonna sound like this. And that's G. If you lift one finger, you get A, and if you lift another finger, you get B. And you can play an octave up if that's easier. And then with those three, just knowing those three, you could play songs like Hot Cross Buns. And you can use that to memorize that you have B, A, G right here. The next note we're going to learn is going to be C natural, which is the same as B, except you're going to lift a thumb. After the C natural, you can learn your fifth note, which is going to be D, which is the thumb, your second finger, your third finger, and then all three of the first 3 fingers of your right hand. It's gonna sound like this. And if you want to hit the low octave D, you have to put down your first finger, but just for the low octave. And then you have your first 5 notes of the scale. And what you could do is you could do some exercises to strengthen your tone and then also to strengthen your memory of these notes. For example, you could start up at D and go down and go like this. You could do the opposite. And those are your first 5 notes.